This 8-minute dish is sweet, nutritious, and very simple to prepare for your family. Today, we will be making seafood tofu soup with Luffa Gourd. The ingredients are 250 grams of seafood tofu. I have a packet of 500 grams here, but I will be using only half of it. 450 grams of Luffa Gourd. 1 piece of luffa weighed almost half a kilo. It is really fresh this time. 1 cup of shredded carrot, 500 ml of prawn broth, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of garlic in oil, and 1/4 cup of cilantro leaves for garnishing. Let's cook. First, we want to take half of the seafood tofu from a packet. Here is the seafood tofu that we are going to cook today. Next, cut the Luffa Gourd. Use a peeler to remove the skin. If some of the dark skin is still on the Luffa Gourd, it is okay as it is edible. After removing the skin, we will clean up and wash the Luffa Gourd. Next, cutting the Luffa Gourd. Cut it into half and cut the cylinder about 1.5 inches. Now cut it into quarters. Lengthwise, we are cutting Luffa Gourd into rectangular shape. And the Luffa Gourd is ready. Pour all the prawn broth into the pot. Switch on the heat to medium-high. Add in all the seasoning: salt, oyster sauce, and pepper. Give it a mix until the seasoning dissolves. Cover the lid and bring it to boil. This will take less than 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the soup is boiling. Open the cover. Add in all the seafood tofu carefully. Cover the lid and let it simmer for 1 minute. After 1 minute, the soup is boiling vigorously. Open the lid. Add in the Luffa Gourd and give it a couple of stirs. Cover the lid and let it continue to cook for another 2 more minutes so that the Luffa Gourd will be nice and crunchy. If you prefer the Luffa Gourd to be softer, cook it for 4 minutes. After about 1.5 minutes, open the lid. At this time, the luffa is about 80% cooked. We will allow the residual heat from the soup to continue to cook the luffa so that by the time we eat, it won't be too soft. Now I can give it a taste. Wow, very sweet and tasty. Oh, time's up. The soup is now cooked. Next, add in garlic in oil, shredded carrot, and cilantro. That's all. The super simple and delicious seafood soup with Luffa Gourd is ready to be served. Let's eat. Wow, it is very delicious. The soup is very rich with prawns flavor and natural sweetness from luffa and carrot. The seafood tofu is soft and tasty. Luffa Gourd is crunchy and fragrant. Overall, the soup is perfect. If you like this video, subscribe for more home cooked recipe like this. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye!